Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I have another one of Laura's quick tips to share with you today, and this one is all about layering with your punches. I absolutely love punches because they're just so quick and simple to just grab some cardstock, grab the punch, and then work on your project. It's just so quick and simple to just punch and go. So this one is the new Label Me Lovely punch, and I am loving this punch. I super love greeting or like label punches because I really like to make my greeting pop, and if I'm ever, putting the greeting on as the last piece of my card, I don't want to mess that up by stamping it on the actual card with everything else. Rather, I would like to stamp it on a piece of scrap and then punch it out and add it so that if for some reason I mess it up, then I can just punch another one. So I am loving this one. Like I said, this is the Label Me Lovely punch, and I have been layering it in so many different ways by just trimming off a little bit of it. So first I wanted to share with you this one. So this is what the punch actually looks like. Whenever you punch it out, it looks like this. It has the straight edges and then all the little curly bumps on the top and the bottom. Of course, you could always place it like that for a totally different look as well. One of the other things that I've done is I have punched out both a Coastal Cabana one and a Whisper White one, and then I took the Coastal Cabana one, cut it in half, and then I just layer one piece on the top and one piece on the bottom, leaving as much or as little as you want, peeking out both the top and the bottom. So there you're using the exact same punch to get a layered look. So that is so versatile and so fabulous because you can then get so many different color options and everything else out of just one punch. The next one that I did, I actually trimmed off the little ends. So on this one, I trimmed off that last little bump. So you can see I just took that last little bump and trimmed that off. And that leaves me with this fabulous look. So you can either do that with the Whisper White and then stamp onto that, or I did it with the Coastal Cabana and then split it in half, and again, you can then layer it like that. You could also layer it going the other direction for an even more fabulous look. So you could go in either direction for that layered look. So super fun just by trimming off that one bump. And let me tell you, it's super easy to trim off that bump because you're literally gonna just go from this little notch to this little notch. So it makes it super quick and simple. So then another one that I did, here I have a full one in Coastal Cabana, but I took the Whisper White one and actually trimmed off some bumps. So on this one, I trimmed off these two bumps, and that leaves me with this center one, which layers perfectly going in either direction, either like that, or you could always do it like this for two fabulous looks as well. So there's so many great ways to use this punch for layering looks. I just wanted to share with you this one here. I actually cut off all of the bumps, leaving just that rectangle, and then layered it on a full one. This one I did like that very first one where I trimmed off the small bump on the yellow and then added on the Whisper White. And then this one here, like that very last one where I trimmed off the white and then layered it onto Coastal Cabana. So super fun way to use the Label Me Lovely punch. I hope you enjoyed this Laura's Quick Tips. Of course, I have done other Laura's Quick Tips, and I will leave links for those down here in the corner. And be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, so that you can see lots of other fabulous inspiration and tips for your stamping and crafting projects. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.